folks. I'm Kathy with Standards of Excellence. The purpose of the session, Fitting the Tasks of the Time, is to help you integrate what you're learning during the conference with what you already know and believe about effective training. We will consider ways to develop a training curriculum that meets the needs of your team. You'll be introduced to helpful concepts such as backwards design, active learning, and managing time creatively. This session is designed to be a capstone, and that will provide you with some opportunities to reflect. If you actively take part in this workshop, you will develop some action steps which will result in a positive impact on the effectiveness of your team's pre, on, and post field. Hope to see you soon.
I'm Linda Cohn, and we've been leading multicultural teams since 2008 and 2010 to countries such as Indonesia, Argentina, Guatemala, Russia, Thailand, and China, just to name a few.
And we're excited to share with you the tools and tips that we've learned from personal experiences and the benefits and the challenges of leading short-term mission trips with a multicultural team.
It will be a fun time of sharing stories as we get to travel the world vicariously in this difficult time. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jolene Erlacher, and I'm so excited to invite you to a workshop that I will be co-presenting with Savannah Kimberlin of Barna Research. We'll be discussing some of the challenges that are facing teenagers and young adults, Gen Z, today as they're looking to engage in the missions context. We'll also be looking at opportunities for us as leaders to empower and encourage them as they look at their role in the future of global mission.
Hi, I'm Tori with Standards of Excellence in Short-Term Mission, and I'm going to be leading a workshop called Types of Domestic Mission Trips. Which one is right for you? We're going to have a panel of experts who work in certain areas of mission trips that could be located around you. Those are things like disaster recovery, First Nations, urban, rural, and even Latter-day Saint or Mormon ministries. They're going to share what it's like to be involved in those ministries as a way of helping you determine what might be a good fit for you and how God might be calling you and your ministry. We hope to see you there.
There, I'm Megan, and at Faith to Action, we work to support churches, organizations, and individuals who are working to live out their biblical call to care for the orphan. For some, living that out might include maybe going on a trip to help care for vulnerable children. For others, it might mean helping to fund a building that is used as an orphanage. But did you know that 80% of children who live in an orphanage have a living parent? Sometimes two. It's actually poverty, not lack of caregivers, that separates a child from their family. And the thing is, Scripture very clearly tells us that family is God's design. So at our workshop, we're going to unpack Scripture and decades of research that will help us effectively rethink orphanages and consider how we can do even better in living out our biblical call to care for both the orphan and the widow. I hope to connect with you online soon.